we're all descendants of the finest dragon fighters from everywhere the Vikings ever traveled. These beasts are a threat to all of our lands. It's time, Hiccup. I have to heal you.
I will, because I'm a Viking. Hear that? I'm a Viking! It's okay. I won't hurt you. Maybe they're not as bad as we think they are.
In case you forgot, our parents' war is about to become ours. Figure out which side you're on.
They've killed hundreds of us!
And we've killed thousands of them!
Wow, you've lost everything. Your father, your tribe, your best friend. What are you gonna do about it?
Probably something stupid. Alright, bud, you ready?
Hey critters, hope you liked that short video. Okay, in recent times, people started reimagining the famous film into an iconic Studio Ghibli style. This allows you to take your favorite classic and reinterpret them with a magical, whimsical flair. Once upon a time, this is a time-consuming process where a single minute of footage could take thousands of hours to create. But now, you can achieve them in minutes, all thanks to AI. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own Studio Ghibli style masterpiece and create a Hollywood movie in a Ghibli style using the latest AI tools. Trust me guys, I had a lot of fun experimenting with this process and I will walk you through step by step so you can create your own masterpiece. It's been fascinating to see how these iconic films transform into a beautiful hand-drawn animation. To give you some perspective, a single minute of Studio Ghibli film typically requires thousands of images which can take up to 2000 hours to create. But with AI, we can now complete this process in just 20 minutes and you can do it for free. If you like to follow along, I have made it super easy for you. I've compiled all the steps I used. At the end of this video, you can speed up the process and make it even easier for you to jump into the fun. So let's dive into the process. Step 1. Select the film. The first step is to choose the film which you would like to recreate. Once you have made your choice, find an HD version of it in the YouTube. Make sure it's a high quality version to get the best results. Then, as you watch the film, pause it at each new scene and take a screenshot of it. Don't worry about being precise. You just need to capture the essence of each shot. Make sure you took screenshot with a full screen so you will get a 16:9 aspect ratio frame. Repeat this process for the entire film or the trailer and you will end up with a series of screenshots that you can organize later. Step 2. Organize your shots. This next step is very crucial, especially if you're working with a longer or more complex sequences. I recommend you to create a folder and copy all your screenshots with the sequence number. The sequence number should be your order in which you took the screenshot. It's pretty much like your scene sequences, okay? Now, step 3. Use AI to transform these images. Now, this is the fun part. Transforming the images into Studio Ghibli style artwork. For this, you will use ChatGPT. Trust me guys, you won't get more than 2 or 3 images in free version on the ChatGPT and you have to wait for 1 day to get it reset. Also, it's very slow. Here is the secret best options and it's completely free. You can use Grok 3 and you can generate any number of Ghibli style images. Upload your first image and just say to Ghibli style. Don't mention any other detail in the prompt. You can also say like create a Studio Ghibli style version of the scene, same camera angle, layout, lighting and color balances if you want it to make more appealing. For now, I'm going with a simple version saying to Ghibli style. Sometimes Grok says you reach the maximum limit after you generate like 15 or 16 images and wait for an hour. I simply log into my another profile and start creating images for that 1 hour time being. So my production is still going on with non-stop. Remember guys, no NSFW or highly recognizable film shots. It won't give you any results. Consider making some image less recognizable by turning it black and white, altering the saturations, contrast or exposure. That could help. Now, step 4. Organize your Ghibli shots. So once you download all these Ghibli styled images, save them with the same sequence number with underscore or something else and keep them in the same folder. Again, the sequence number should be your order in which you took the screenshot. Now, you got the Ghibli style images in the right sequence in the same folder. Step 5. Animate the images. Now, it's time to animate them. For this, I recommend you guys to use Abacus AI, which I'm using for this demo, and with $10 plan, I'm generating unlimited videos. For free, you can try Daigen AI. It is a little slow, but if you want, you can try them. My personal recommendation is go for Abacus AI and use Minimax Video Generator for less computing points, and you can generate unlimited videos with your basic plan. More details about the Abacus AI, you can check it one of my video link given at the top. So start uploading your images using Video Gen and select Minimax model, and then write a prompt that describes the motion in the shot. For example, you could specify the camera movements like static or dynamic, the character movements, and environment elements like smoke or weather, etc. And the great thing in Abacus AI is I can open 3 to 4 or even more browser and can submit the video generations at one stretch. So 3 or 4 video generations at the same time. This reduce my production time and can generate videos very faster. Trust me guys, you will never get this kind of options even in Minimax or Kling paid version. There you can go for max 3 or 4 videos concurrently. But here, open up multiple browser and push your files to generate concurrent videos. Step 6. Organize your Ghibli videos. Like how you organize the images, save Ghibli style videos with the same sequence number and keep them in the same folder. Again, the sequence number should be your order in which you took the screenshot, and now you got the Ghibli style videos in the right sequence in the same folder. Step 7. Fine-tune your shot. After creating your animation, check all your video animations. Wherever you want the subject to talk, make sure the subject talks and actions are all as expected. No worries. Even if that is not good, you can regenerate any point of time. Step 8. Voiceovers. Most important thing is voiceover or dialogue from the movie. You can download the audio alone from the YouTube and save that in the same project folder. I'll tell you what to do. Step 9. Assemble the video. Once you have all animated clips, it's time to assemble them into your final video. You can use any video editor. I use CapCut. You can use whatever you are using or comfortable with. For me, CapCut is my favorite one to easily drag and drop your clips into the timeline. Now, drag the audio file that you downloaded from the YouTube and isolate the vocal so the background music is completely removed. Now you got only the voice. Adjust the pitch of the voice or change the voice to another tone. This will help you to avoid any copyright strike on the music and the voiceover. Next, I use Eureka AI or Google Music Effects to generate a background AI music for my movie. Using any chat LLM, you generate a music prompt and create a background music for your movie. Now, I got a background music, I got a modified voiceover, Ghibli video sequences. So what next? Let's get into an editing. You can cut, short, extend, edit your videos to match accordingly with your voiceovers and the background music to get your beautiful output. Finally, once your video is complete, export it and share your stunning creations with the world. So, if you're excited to explore the world of AI animations and want to see more, let's make this creative journeys together. If you have any questions, you can drop your questions in the comments and I'm happy to answer them. Happy creating.
Are a threat to all of our lands. It's time.